G'day, welcome once again here to Country Wholesale Group at 15 Uralla Road in sunny Port Macquarie in the mid-north coast of New South Wales. 15 Uralla Road. Here is a new arrival. It is, quite simply, an outstanding SV6 utility VF 2013 VF SV6. Great set of wheels and tyres, hardcover, outstanding looking machine. So 2013 travelled 139,000 very careful kilometres. A VF SV6 ute in a burnt orange, absolutely stunning. So cwg.net.au, it's got a hardcover, it's got a tow pack, and it is a manual SV6. Looking inside, sport seats. Let's jump in. Let's start her up. There we go. Yeah, so definitely a sports exhaust and 139,000 careful kilometres. Ice cold air conditioning. It is a 6-speed manual. It certainly does have a very progressive reverse camera. Park assist, electric handbrake, cruise control and Bluetooth. So SV6 in a VF, ice cold air conditioning, very sporty, a great bit of kit for work or play. Remembering you can phone us on 6581 2881, that's 6581 2881, should you wish to have your own customised virtual tour of this beauty. Again, the hardcover, sports exhaust, tow pack, an outstanding package from Holden. Certainly not making them anymore, and this is someone's dream car. Hustler black alloy wheels, 6-speed manual, an outstanding package. And again, 6581 2881 if you want to have your own customised in-depth tour of the vehicle. Or come on down here to 15 Uralla Road in Port Macquarie to inspect it, because there is no doubt that you'll be more than impressed. We believe you'll be delighted, and we certainly will look after you.